Welcome to the College of Arts and Media at Grand Canyon University. We are a creative community offering degrees in broadcasting, advertising and graphic design, social media, film, animation, game design, theater, music, and dance. These programs are designed to equip artists to become entrepreneurs by sharpening your vision and amplifying your voice. Many of our professors are performers and working professionals who take every opportunity to share their knowledge and experience to guide you on your artistic journey. Our hands-on degrees are rooted in faculty and student collaboration. With 75 performances during an academic year, students have so many opportunities to polish their craft and shine in front of live audiences. Our choirs and bands perform across the valley and at our jam-packed basketball games, while film, broadcast, graphic design, and social media majors build their portfolios and reels. Whether you want to perform, teach, or create, the College of Arts and Media is a place to clarify your calling and expand your reach. We're eager to meet you.